in today's video we're going to talk about a new Poshmark feature. It is the drop feature. I first saw Nicole State mention it in her Instagram story, and I was like, hey, what's this? I haven't heard anything about it. And then I looked and it was available on Poshmark, and then today Poshmark just put out a little blurb, you know, kind of explaining what it is. So basically with a drop, what you can do is you create a new listing and you choose the day, I think just a day, I don't think a time. You choose the day that the listing will go live. So in your closet, it'll show the listing, but it'll be marked as not for sale. People are still able to like the item, and I guess once you drop it, all of those likers will be notified. Okay, so here are my thoughts. I'm trying to think if I would use this feature. So I was trying to think if I would use this feature, and I'm like 85% sure that my answer is no. So when I get new inventory, I like to list it right away. I don't like to have a death pile. I don't like to have stuff just sitting around. So I feel like that's what a kind of like a drop is. It's just inventory that's like sitting in your closet and it's not listed yet. So something that I would worry about with drops is, are people gonna actually come back? Yes, they get notified when it drops, but maybe when they come back to see that drop, they don't like the item as much as they thought they did, or, you know, they change their mind, or they don't come back and look at that because of those reasons, you know? It gives the buyer time to think about it, which could be a good thing, or it could also be a bad thing too, you know? So I'll read you what Poshmark's little graphic says. It says you can promote new arrivals, build excitement for new items listing before they drop, make sales, sell on a snap with reminder notifications to likers, attract loyal customers, bring buyers back to your closet, and score new followers. So, promote new arrivals, build excitement for new listings before they drop. Isn't that the point of, or like wasn't that one of the points of the Poshmark story? They say one of the things you could use that for is to build excitement for listings. Sell in a snap with reminder notifications to likers. You could also sell in a snap with just listing it and not, you know, listing it and letting it sit there. You know, like, I don't know. Attract loyal customers, bring buyers back to your closet, and score new followers. Attract loyal customers. Okay, so yeah, people might come back if they like it. Score new followers. I don't know how they get that out of having a drop. I don't understand that part. The only way I can think of me using this would be if I did some like online retail arbitrage and I was waiting for the stuff to come in, and I could, you know, have it listed but not listed before it actually comes in the mail to me. But then I would have to use stock photos, and of course you get permission to use stock photos. But yeah, that's really the only way I could see myself using this. I don't know, what are your thoughts? You guys should comment down below and let me know what you think. I feel like it's taking a risk having potential buyers come back, or maybe not even come back to your closet when it drops. You know, like, I don't know. And I definitely think that you would need a bigger following in order to make this work. Like, I think you would need some type of big social media presence, not on Poshmark, like on another social media outlet. You know, like a big following on Instagram, and then you could like hype it up to your followers on Instagram. So I do think, you know, that there's things that you gotta like criteria that you gotta meet in order to make it work. Maybe, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But I just wanted to make this video and tell you guys their new feature. Again, I don't think I'm gonna use them. Maybe if I were to find like a designer item at the thrift store that I know would sell quickly, and I could like hype it up and build anticipation for that. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go now. I honestly don't know my thoughts. I really am leaning more towards not using it though. But you guys should comment down below and let me know what you think. Try to convince me. Try to convince me why it's a good thing. I mean, obviously I can see the perks, but I also see, I don't know, I feel like it's pretty even. Like, I feel like it's 50-50. Like, it's a toss-up. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.